This is a login page. Same HTML, same layout, same fields. Only the colors changed. This is the difference between a page that looks like a beginner built it and one that looks professional. Today I'll show you exactly how to get from one to the other live. Okay. Now for our submit, we are changing this from border to from 2px to 1px, and also we're making use. Okay, for here there's no need of border. Let's just give it none. Then for our background, we are making use of this same royal blue color, which is hash F169A1. Then for the color, we are using pure white because they definitely go well. So for this color, I'm making use of my gray, which is 6B7280. Then the text decoration, I'm putting it as none. Then for my link, I'm changing it to a shade of green, which is 16A. So moving the text decoration. So now, this is a complete improved version of this. So look at how it was looking before, and look at how it is after. So without changing the structure, I was able to get something very nice just based on the color combination. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and share our video if you found it helpful.